There we go. Alright. Alright. Gotta do this again. I was trying to film me shooting my Mauser, but my data card for my camera goofed up. Very possibly it could do it again. I hope not. But I shall shoot it a few more times on camera. It is hitting low right, and the recoil of it is pretty brutal. I can't really complain because I haven't shot a gun in a while, and I decided to start off on the 80mm, so let's go. Alright. I'm holding high left. Let me make sure. Yep, my camera's still recording. Alright. I'm doing my best to save the brass because this stuff is rather expensive. I do not want to lose any. Alright, let's see.
I wonder if them bullets for 32 Winchester Special are working then.
Are they .323 diameter?
They're 323.
323? Yeah, they probably would then. Because that's what these are. They're .323. That's what IDMM is. Alrighty. We'll go and see what the groups are. Alright, I'm going to assume that's my group. Right there, that ain't too bad for open sight. I lose that front sight on the target. That was my first ever shot out of the gun. And my dad said to hold high left. Oh, I'm sorry for the brightness, but so I started holding up here, so I guess now it's in. I'll hold down here with 3 shots and see if it's dead on. Alrighty, got my camera recording again. Hopefully the card doesn't buffer. I'm going to put on another jacket, see if that'll mitigate the recoil. Not that it was affected me too bad out there, I still want to have a working shoulder for work tomorrow, if you know what I mean. Alright. Let's load him up with more of these weird ass looking outfits. If you can see the way that bullet looks, it's like stepped. Get some shells free. I'm going to aim dead center at that orange sticker, because now that he's dirty, he maybe put them right in there. Gotta save that brass. That's some expensive. That ammo, that Cellar and Bell at 8mm was pretty steep. Let's see here, try and get. Controlled round feed. It's so much more controllable to just reach up there and grab your brass instead of push round feed where it's just ejected the moment it comes out. May have to do a video further explaining those two types, but we shall see how it performed now after getting dirty. But I'm not going to shoot him no more. I don't want to burn through all my 8mm so fast until I can get some reloading dies for it. Because then I could just buy bullets and we have plenty of powder and primers. So, but until then, I don't want to waste all the food for him. But I love him. Yugo M24. This is a hell of a rifle. I can't wait to put a long eye relief scope on it. Wonderful gun. Wonderful gun.